right, welcome. I'm hoping that you had some good time to spend on this in class, but if not, I'm glad you're here. For this guy here, we need to just look at what's happening. That we are going to be buying some paperbacks, and we're also going to be buying some hardcover books. We're going to be spending different amounts of money. So every time we buy a paperback, we know it costs $4, whereas a hardback, we always know it costs $8. But when I combine these two values in terms of the total amount of money, it does need to be less than or equal to the money that I actually have in my wallet at the time. So this is actually the inequality that models this scenario. Now, I need to graph this, and there are a wide variety of ideas. I can make a table of values and plug in points. Now you might think, but wait, that's a P and an H. Yeah, this is a P here, and this is an H here. So this is normally like my X value here, and this is normally like my Y values here. So now what I need to do is try to graph it. The other option that I have is to put it into Y, or in this case H equals format. They all are real kind of nice numbers, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And the way that I'm going to do that is to first of all move over my 4P, and when I do that, remember, we end up getting the opposite sign. And then I'm going to divide by the 8. And then I'm also going to divide by 8 here. I need to divide everything by 8. So I get this. Now this here is my y-intercept, which in this case is really like my h-intercept, which is a little bit strange. And then my slope is down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. And sure enough, if I go down 10 over 20, that is down 1 over 2. So this is, or equal to, so it is going to be solid. And I just need to make sure that I don't spend more than that amount. And so every single one of these points is a possibility. So we want to know, is 5, which is right around here, 5 paperbacks, and 5, which is right around here, is that a possible solution? And based on the picture, the answer is yes. I also want to show some evidence mathematically, so I'm going to have 5 paperbacks, which cost $4, and 5 hardbacks, which cost $8, and see if that is less than or equal to 80. And I have 20 plus 40 is 60, so A, it is less than or equal to 80, so it totally works.